Well, good hump day to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord have mercy. I'm here to tell you it is a beautiful day in East Central Mississippi, about 70 degrees, a little cold in the morning, but it warms up quite nicely during the day. What I want to make mention of, if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, which is normally something, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord, I'm gonna do a little update on the spring gardening and what I got going on. It's quite a few things. So give me a second, and that's what we finna do. All right, let's start off over here in these 16-foot raised beds. Starting to get these guys, this is my no-till beds. I'm starting to just turn them over a little bit, get them ready for some planting. I'll probably add in some 10-10-10 fertilizer and get my plant on. I'm starting to work on the other 16-foot raised bed that's got the trellis system in it. So I'm doing a little bit of work in there. Got a lot of weeding that I need to do, but it's all good. I'm ready to get my plant on. Let's walk over to the north side of the 40 and I'm gonna show you what's going on over there. Quick note, those are my true blue collards. I'm actually letting them go to seed. And from what I understand and what I have seen, all of these little bitty small things right here, I don't know if you can see it right there, those turn into little pods that actually contain the seeds right there. Because I want to share a bunch of these, I want to share some true blue collar seeds with you and y'all that have asked about them. Oh look, here's some good ones right here. Look at there. I don't know how well that's coming out. But those are little seed pod looking things. That's where the seeds come in. So letting these guys go. Come on, let's go on to the north side of the 40. All right, here we are on the other side of the property. Look at him. Hope you can see it, but that looks like some sunchokes that are coming up. Pretty happy to see that. And I've been clearing out some beds over there. Hey Buck, I hear you. And those two beds and that bed over there, I've been working on that. Still got to work on those two beds over there. But look at him. Now, I don't know how well this is going to come out because of the sun. What I have down here is some taters that are growing. Look at her. Those right there are the little small baby Dutch taters that I had that started to sprout. And I put them in this joker right here, and guess what? They sprouted and they starting to grow. Dang, might get some taters after all. All right, now I'm in the shack, hence turned into a grow room, and look at there. I had a bunch of maters that actually popped up, and I have them underneath these two sets of shop lights right here. And these are the shop lights that actually have the cool white and the warm light bulbs installed in them. So they are growing rather nicely. A little leggy. For some strange reason, like these, I looked at the seeds one day, didn't see anything. I get home that afternoon about 12, 14, 17 hours later, Lord of mercy, I got sprouts that done sprouted. So that's what they looking like. Bunch of maters that done popped up. Here, ooh, look at there. I think I see a pepper. Here's my peppers up here. Still sitting on a heat mat, and I see one that actually germinated right there. Might have to work on that. Anyways, I have a bunch of seedlings that actually germinated this year. Last year was horrible for germinating seeds, but I have had good success this year, especially with the maters. Quite surprised. And all I'm doing is I got them under the light, and I'm actually feeding them some, what am I? I'm actually feeding them some Miracle Grow And this is the lightest, smallest dose of Miracle Grow that I've ever used. A little bitty small, maybe that much Miracle Grow to a gallon of water. And that's what I'm feeding those seedlings over there. Of course, when I first start my seedlings, I actually spray them down from the top. But once those seeds bust the ground, I actually start feeding them from the bottom. So, and that's what I'm feeding them with right here. I'm gonna say I am stupid happy about that. Because again, last year, didn't have no success actually with germinating seeds. I don't know if it was just me, it was probably operator error. It might have been the weather, don't know. But I do know that I did my research, and I'm gonna say that those grow lights are really helping. I'm actually gonna do the little experiment that we had talked about as far as using the cool white and warm white bulbs and versus the full spectrum LED. I'm waiting for some more peppers to pop the ground, and then we're gonna see how they grow under both light conditions. All right, y'all, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Have a bunch of stuff that I need to get done over here. Got to water in them taters over there, them old roost out taters. Got to give them a shot of water, feed some animals, and a bunch of other stuff. So again, I hope everybody's having a sure enough good hump day and a sure enough safe one at that. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know what's coming down. Referee sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.